Nice having you here once again.
Thank you for inviting me.
I would like to ask you a very simple question actually. How would you value ceramics in comparison to other interior design elements?
Oh, there is a great moment for ceramics, and we are entering that moment, I would say now. It started a few years before, that there suddenly was this new mood towards ceramic, the rediscovery of ceramic, the multiple use of ceramic, the use of ceramic in other spaces, the use of ceramic on stoves, the use of ceramic on public furniture. So there is an enormous revival, I would say, of the material.
Okay. Well, what application areas could we think of for the future?
Well, obviously, I think floor is still underused in a way. Then the major rooms, the bathroom and the kitchen, obviously. But I think also beyond, on the facades of building, I think there's going to be a real trend. I know that also from some companies in the Netherlands that architects now like to develop their own skin in ceramic. And then I think, corridors, unusual places, in fact, unusual use of.
What about trends about, bathroom settings and sanitary ware? What could we see in the future?
Well, today we see that people sacrifice huge rooms in their house to make big kitchens and big bathrooms. That's the two, I would say, obsessions of today. And in the kitchen we will have the big table and we will all be together and work and play and cook. And so these two rooms, which are the major rooms now of the family, are actually using ceramic. So it's pretty amazing. And for your industry, that the focus is on these two.
Okay. Have you ever noticed anything to Turkish traditional tiles, like the ones we've got in Blue Mask, and there's this.
Yeah, I wish that the young designers
tiles.
would use again some of the techniques and the colors and the spirit of the old days, not imitating, not kitsch, not antique type, but just to sort of re-understand what is this need for decoration, this need for voluptuous, curves and stuff, and bring that back to today. We've seen this happening in the Netherlands, where young designers were asked by the makers of ceramics and to restart thinking about 17th century and so on, and that has given us in the Netherlands an enormous scope, enormous newness in the area of craft. And I think the same should happen in this country.
A sort of revival.
Yes, because the trends also tell us that we need to go on a caravan of culture and to sort of rediscover the Silk Road. And accidentally, the Silk Road is also part of the BRIC countries. So in fact, the whole thing starts to move again, also in export, to go to India, to go to Asia, and so on.
Perfect.
So I see a very good future for your group.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Thank you for inviting me.